Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change screen size in OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. First, if you're referring to the preview size, move your cursor over the preview panel and it will change. Click and drag the panel to enlarge the preview. If this doesn't work, right-click the preview. Go to Preview Scaling and select Scale to Window. To resize a source or image, select the source, click and hold one of its corners or sides, and drag to adjust the size. By default, the aspect ratio will be maintained. To change this, hold Shift while resizing. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z on a Mac to undo. To crop the screen, hold Alt and drag one of the points if adjustments. If adjustments are not working, right-click the source, go to Transform and select Reset Transform. For more precise adjustments, go to Transform and select Edit Transform, where you can fine-tune the source size, rotation, and crop pixel by pixel. Close the window when you are done. And that's everything you need to know about how to change screen size in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.